Alright, I couldn't find my toolbox, but I found an alternative. So let's get started on this little baby here. You know, I had the tool, but what did I do with it? So this is it? Yeah, this is it. This size, man, this is a 5/16. Oh, what the song I was playing was called Give It All You Got by Chuck Mangione. Oh, you two have a fit. You two have a fit about stuff like that. You would think that they wouldn't mind. Someone who's never heard that song would like it. No, they don't want you to play the song at all. Not even 30 seconds. They get mad at you. Oh no, you would think that the artist would say, oh, it's okay, he can play my song. That means that you can go into the link in the description below and see what the song is. Well, that's the speed sensor unit. Now, I'm going to take my screw. They say take the screw and put it back in the box, but I don't think that I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to put the screw back into the unit itself. Here. Well, sometimes I'm going to put them back in there because I don't like looking for screws. So I'm just going to go ahead on and put this back. But I'm going to put this in the pan. In the box, as he says. Put it in the box. I have a box over here. Maybe I should use a box. Do exactly what he said, guys. Do exactly what he says. Right? What I'll do is... No, I'm going to put it inside my little pan. I got a little cooking pan over here. Alright. So I know I'm going to need that tool. Then he said to get a 13-inch. He said 13-inch or a 14-inch socket. It doesn't matter. We already take this off right now. Sister's encouraging me. She says keep working on it. Oh boy. Yeah, I'm gonna keep working on it. I won't spend a lot of money on it because I don't have a lot of money to spend on it. Plus, that woman gonna take it away. You know, she wants to take it away already, man. Can't believe it. I think that's a 15, guys. People, whoever you want to be. Yeah, that's a 15. Anyway, you'll figure it out what it is. I don't have to tell you. You will figure it out. Main thing is, take it off. Here we go. Alright, I don't want to kill myself because it's benching. Yeah. Let me get that big boy. You need to kill yourself, right? Get the big boy. Get the big boy. Put it on there. Then get the little boy. I've had this car on. This engine I got from my cousin. Junkyard man. Not really junkyard man. And I need to go ahead on at least get the thing going. Alright, we ready to take this off now. Once we get it off, I'm going to put the screws back in there. I'm not going to put them in the bucket. Put them back where I got them. Where they at. As long as they ain't hurting nothing, I'm putting them back in there. I've learned my lesson over the years. It's no fun looking for screws. What do you think? I got so much music in my head, guys. I got a lot of music in my head. I'm just old school music lover. Check my channel out. I don't do too much streaming anymore. I've been busy. Yeah, that guy Chuck Man, I can play just like it. He's just got a flugelhorn, that's all he has. What do you mean that's all he has? He has a flugelhorn. That's what he's got. You should say, why don't you use an air wrench? Because it's noisy. Noisy. Air compressor coming on. Yeah. Got the kids outside playing whatever they're playing. Chuck, you already played a lot of songs. I don't know if you ever heard of, uh-oh, there's the transmission fluid, guys. Whoop. Here it is. It's all out. I'm going to put this where I put the, let it drain for a little while first in the pan. Clean this out. Because I really don't want no transmission fluid flowing anywhere. Get these tools out of the way. And we're going to go back to the video. Okay, that's off. All right, what's next? Oh, we almost finished.
1993 through 1995 and some 1996s, there are only 4 bolts.
I have a 2000. Looks just like that.
There should be an O-ring located here.
Yep.
Don't remove it.
We did not
Set the
remove
housing on the bench. If you're working on a 4-wheel drive model, remove the adapter housing the same way.
I'm not working on a 4-wheel drive
Place
model.
it on the bench.
I think this is it.
Your last step in this lesson is to remove the vent hose.
Okay.
If you have a clamp here, use pliers to slide it back down the hose. Pull the hose off and put it in the box. This hose is actually an important safety device to help prevent fires. It keeps fluid from spraying onto the exhaust system where it could ignite.
I think that's it, guys. For that one. What's next?
Put it back on later.
This is lesson 2. We finished lesson 2.
That's it for now. In lesson 3, we'll turn the transmission over and work in the valve body area.
Now we're going to work on lesson 3. You think we're going to get past it? I'm going to take a little break. And let him introduce himself, and I'll get back to you guys again.
This video classroom lesson is sponsored by Transmission Bench. Visit the transmissionbench.com store for the deluxe super kit, other parts, and even the video classroom lessons used during this project.
Okay, guys. Yeah, let me see. Here we go. Let's see what he's doing.
Welcome back. This is Project 4L60E, Part 1, Lesson 3. At this point, let me remind you of what we've covered so far. We talked about our goals with the transmission.
Okay, let's move forward a little bit here.
This lesson, along with lessons 4 and 5, are about the disassembly of the valve body area. Let's turn the transmission around, turn it over, and get started.
Turn it around. Turn it over.
I'm wearing gloves because of the sharp edges on the case. Even the splines on the output shaft and the stator support can cut your hands, so be careful. To make it easier to work on, get the pan rail as level as possible. I found two 2x4 sections are the perfect height and put them here under the case. Make sure your transmission is stable. Also, make sure that even if it rolls over, it cannot roll off the work surface onto your body, especially your feet. If you're working on a 1993 to 1996 one-piece case version, get it level 2. Use wood to chock both sides of the bell housing. In this lesson, you'll need a 10 and 13 millimeter sockets, extension, ratchet, and a small screwdriver.
Alright guys, we're ready to take this off. I've already taken it off once. So let's pause the video here and I'll get with you guys later.